So I said, tell me a thing about you. And I love the fact he gave me. He currently lives in my hometown, Jacksonville, Florida. Yeah, so like don't use the toilet after him. No offense, because we have hepatitis Q. You know what I mean? You guys ever been to Jacksonville, Florida? You've seen cops though. Yeah. I was like making a Family Dollar joke about his shirt, and I was like, it's spelled right though. Are you sure you bought it there? His name is Frank Juarez. Please welcome him to Sparrow. First time here, Frank Juarez. Welcome.
Thank you. Hey guys, my first time here. How's everyone doing tonight? Great, that's good. I'm not doing good. It was my birthday last week, and only one person remembered, and that person's name was Team Snapchat. Actually, my mom did message me, a little text message. She was like, "Mijo, feliz cumpleaños. Remember, love everyone the way God loves you." So I started to ignore everyone. Things are doing all right now. I matched with a girl recently on Tinder whose bio literally just said, "I can drink more than you." So for our first date, we went to an AA meeting. Man, it sucks. She was a kindergarten teacher, and she ghosted me. And it sucks because she was smart, beautiful. I told her I was a Marine, so she was also teaching me how to read. I am a Marine, but people get very skeptical when I tell them. They look at me and they're like, You sure you're a Marine? And now I'm a Marine biologist? Man, my friends tried to cheer me up one time. They took me to a strip club at 2 a.m. on a Sunday. We were actually met by the A team, which is the amphetamine team. We walked in, and right away there was a woman. She was tall, pale, black teeth. She looked like the nun from The Conjuring wearing a bikini. And she walked straight over to me. She's like, "Hey, hon. Back in the day, they used to call me Glitter. Now they call me Dusty." She also had a friend who was a breast cancer survivor. Her name was Susan G. String Coleman. I ended up getting a dance from her. She was pretty cool. I found out that she was older than me by about 3 DUIs. And I got a dance from her for about 10 minutes. That is a long time to get grinded on. I went from, yeah, to stop, I'm getting a rash. And now my pants have chlamydia. Alright, thank you guys so much. My name is Frank Juarez.
Yeah. Jacksonville, hometown boy, you guys. Frank Juarez.